Put Interceptor on the front of it. Didn't come with that. So it comes with this key. That's all it comes with. No chip in it. So very cheap to get a new one made, but it doesn't come with any kind of a key fob. So anyways, I bought this and installed it myself. So push and hold. Remote start. It does not lock the doors automatically. So you have to have it locked up prior to, which in most cases, if you're starting it up in the morning, you would have it locked overnight anyway, so you wouldn't have to worry about that. But you can lock it anytime you want. Unlock. And to shut the remote start off, you just push the bottom button and then the next one up. And spotlight actually works. (2016) 78,000 miles on it. Actually got really good tread on the tires too.